Yo!
Yo.
Who's that?
It's me.
Who are you?
Ash.
We don't see you anymore, bro.
Yeah, because I moved, you know?
Yeah, Ash moved away from us, guys. It's because he hates me.
I hate you.
Welcome back to the start of today's video. We're starting off with Mr. Ash. Haven't seen him for a while. It's because he lives so far away from us now. We're going to be working on his Civic. Do you want to show us, bro? So, oh yeah, I got to quickly tell you guys. So we're actually picking up the Chaser later today. So I'm probably going to put in the thumbnail, but yeah, we're getting the Chaser back finally. They're all done at JZX Tuning. Car's making 341 kilowatts at the wheels. I'm pretty sure that he might have detuned it or a little bit, you know, roughly 330, 341 kilowatts. Anyway, before we do that, we got to help mates out because, like I said, it's nice helping mates out. Dude, tell us what's wrong with this.
All right, so the other day I was going to Nauki's. Yeah, I was going to his house, and then I was on the freeway, and then all of a sudden my car just got really loud. I'm like, oh, this is weird. It's like a hit VTEC, but I was doing like 3,000. When I got to his house, I noticed something definitely wasn't right, and I looked under my car. My muffler's detached itself. My muffler's just hanging by itself. Yeah, it just decided to muffler delete itself one day.
Because I can weld, Ash asked me, and I was like, yeah, I could probably fix it. We're gonna give it a go. It's mild steel, it's not stainless, so it's gonna take a little bit of practice on the TIG, but should be right.
They told me it was titanium.
Titanium?
Yeah.
Ooh.
That's what the guy on Facebook said when I bought the car.
Oh. Oh no. Okay, so we got the exhaust off now, and I'll show you what we're going to be doing. The muffler has, yeah, just rusted over time, and it's come off here. The metal is really small and frail, so I don't know how good the welds are going to be. Yeah, we've also got this end, which is absolutely crusty. Yeah, we're going to have to make some primo boogers, bro.
Dude, I'm pretty confused.
Why?
The guy on eBay told me this car had a 3-inch exhaust. This is not 3 inches, bro. It's like 1.
Bro. Gonna start welding now. Turn the welder on. Don't even know what settings I'm going to use. You alright?
Yeah.
Boogeyman. Oh, it's on fire. This was the best that I could do. We're working with very, very thin, mild steel, and yeah. So there's going to be a few leaks, as you can see. It's like better than what it was, and at least it'll hold on there and muffle some of the sound. Sorry, Ash.
It'll do.
It'll do. Yeah, we're gonna just put some exhaust sealant on there and just send it, bro. All right, Ash and I are gonna get some food now, get some sushi, and then we're gonna go pick up the Chaser. The sealant that's currently on the exhaust needs some time to dry, so really, you should leave it for 24 hours, but we don't have that time. Dude, you got stuff all over your face from the exhaust. Like, all over your face, bro, like. So we're on our way to get the Chaser now. I'm very excited, like I said in the last video. So lucky as well. I've just got all the boys, you know, always around. Ash is gonna help me take the Camry home. We're taking the Camry right now. I'm always like just asking someone to come drop me off. Yo, it looks like there's a massive accident. It's not good. There's a truck in the middle of the, oh, look, he's in the brake line.
Yo.
Oh,
old mate's not having a good time over there.
Bro. Oh, look at these lines you can see on the road, man. As long as no one's injured.
Bro. Another truck.
Oh, I just went over something.
Dude, I think there's another car in the middle.
Oh, shit.
Fuck.
I think they're all right. They're all right. All right. Fuck. We're here. Look at that. Chaser. We got R35, Chaser, some Audi. Camry. We got JZX100, R33 Skyline.
Yep.
And it's in this sick ass wrap. We'll take a closer look at that. Gonna go inside now. Quick little look at the lineup here. Chaser is back. Very happy to see that. This thing's looking pretty crazy. Damn. So this JZX100 actually has PJ's kit as well. It's running a GTX 3076 Garrett turbo. It's making, I think, 366 kilowatts to the wheels. PJ's kit. This is PJ's kit. I think this was off Perry's car. I don't know what Perry's currently running, but same sort of setup in a 110. Pretty respectable did. I think it's 366 kilowatts. Yeah, next level. So we're here at JZX Tuning. We got a Dyno sheet back, thanks to Kat. She's just writing up the invoice now. Yeah, sweet, everything went well. 341 kilowatts at the wheels. Trent's altered back a little bit, so we're making about 330. show the graph in detail a little bit closer to when we get home, but I'm very happy with it. All right, we're finally going to take the Chaser home. Super excited. Going to get some footage on the highway, but yeah, making 300 and around 30 kilowatts at the wheels right now, but it did make upwards of 341 on the dyno, which is pretty respectable. The difference of like 5 to 10 kilowatts is really not going to be noticeable, I don't think so. Oh, that's mint. That starts up right away. So I was talking to Kat about the boost leak, and she said that if it does affect the car at all, then I'm probably gonna have to take it back. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Ash is gonna follow me in the Camry. Wow, yeah, that feels way better. Throttle response is a lot nicer. It's like revving out so much nicer. I'm very happy with it, my God. Oh, it's so much more responsive as well. Like rolling in on third, the boost comes on way faster than it used to. Very happy with it, very happy. I don't know where that boost leak's coming from, but it's very audible. Holy crap! It's so much more responsive. Oh my goodness. What'd you think?
That was crazy, man.
Crazy?
Dude, that limited back sounds insane. It's so good.
So we're here at my mate's shop. We're just going to take him for a quick spin. I'm super happy with it. That boost leak's being very annoying. I don't know what the hell's going on with that, but other than that, feels pretty freaking good. I did a couple of pulls past you, Ash. Dude, what'd you think, man?
Oh man. It sounds so good. It's crazy.
Yeah, dude. It's next level, bro.
When it hits limiter, it's like.
Yeah, dude, I'm so happy with it, but I think I know what the leak's coming from. So I probably didn't tighten these down enough, or they weren't the right size. It's my own fault, so gonna have to fix up that. I'm pretty sure it's that. That's what's causing the boost leak. Well, it is what it is. Hopefully we don't need a retune. All right, so we just filled the car up with some E85. We put about 40 liters in there, so that was about $61, $1.50. I'm telling you all this because I find it pretty interesting, because obviously I've never ever had to fill up a car with E85. We just went to an Astron. Usually you would go to a United, but it seems like this Astron is owned by United. I don't know, but I know that ethanol, you got to times by 1.3 because it's like 30% more fuel, I think. So,
okay.
Yeah. Oh my God, look at your first reaction, dude. Ash's first reaction was pretty good. But yeah.
Oh.
How's Red Bull, bro?
It's good.
Oh wow, bro. It just throws you back. As soon as you hit boost, man.
Oh man.
Holy shit.
I want off. I want out.
Look at this, guys. Doing a bit of vlogging on the iPhone, but yeah, we're back home. Car is all mint. I actually just talked to Trent, and we're all good to go. Everything should be mint. Everything should be fine with the tune. It's going to self-learn. We actually just finished up putting Ash's exhaust back on the car, so I'm going to roll it out here.
Yeah.
Don't start it, bro. Oh, is the handbrake down?
Yeah.
Out of gear? That was easier. Left. Yeah, you're good. Nice. Nice. Cock. Keep going, keep going. Turn more, turn more. Other way, other way. All right, start it up. Let's see what happens. You guys should have seen the job that we did on this. So sketch, but no. If it works, right?
Oh, yeah.
No. Fucking start it, bro. Ah, it's mint. Yeah, see? Rex H Customs, boys.
Custom. A1 welding. A1 grade welding. The best. Professional.
Literally, bro. It's depending. We'll see how long it lasts.
Boogie boy.
Boogie boy. It's mint.
Perfection.
We put like a bunch of sealant behind it. Okay, so there we go. There we go. Chaser is finally back at home in the garage. So happy with this thing. We've achieved a lot with this car over the past couple of months. Past year and a bit as well. Like it's been an absolute journey, and I can't believe, you know, we've now got a car that makes power like this. It's always been a goal of mine, and it's finally happened. It's hard to know what to think. It's just so cool. I'm very keen to start taking this thing for drives. Gonna take it for a number of road trips and all that. Stay tuned, because you guys will be able to come say hello. But yeah, this has been an awesome journey. I really want you guys to sort of feel what it's like behind the camera. It's gonna be very hard to show you guys what it feels like behind the camera, but I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna make more videos of what it's like actually driving a 450 horsepower Chaser. It's next level. So damn happy with this thing, man. Damn, we've come a long way. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, thumbs up. More videos to come soon in the Chaser. Thanks for supporting me and my journey. Love you all. Peace out.